Today in this video I'm showing you how to make my nans baked rice pudding. Delightful, sweet and creamy. And here's a little close-up. Once you taste it, it will leave you wanting more. Okay, ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of Arborio rice, vanilla essence, half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt and enough milk to fill a tray of what you want to use. Okay, so in goes my 1 cup of rice. Then I'm going to add my sugar. I'm making 2, of course, 1 for me and 1 for my friends. And I'll fill it up with milk. Add your vanilla essence and your salt, and you're going to give that a little whisk. Once you've done that, preheat your oven at 170 degrees. Sprinkle with nutmeg. Bake for 1 hour. After 1 hour on 170 degrees, you're going to check if your rice is cooked. If your rice is cooked and it's brown on top, you're going to turn down your heat and let it slowly simmer for 25 more minutes on 140 degrees. That's the trick, guys. So all up, you're going to cook your baked rice for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Once cooked, take it out of the oven and let it cool. Then you're going to cover it. For best results, leave in the fridge overnight so the rice goes all creamy, just like that. Guys, you're going to love this rice pudding. If you want more sweeter, add more sugar. Enjoy, guys.